When it comes to securing your bicycle, choosing the right anti-theft lock is essential. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or parking overnight, you need a lock that offers durability, security, and convenience. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best bicycle anti-theft locks, highlighting their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Xunting Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock. The Xunting Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock offers a robust solution for cyclists who are concerned about the security of their bikes. Designed with a combination of strong materials and practical features, this lock is made to protect your bicycle from theft while ensuring ease of use and convenience. In this video, we will explore its key features, pros, and cons to help you determine if it's the right choice for securing your bike. Pros. Weather resistant. The PVC-wrapped, waterproof, and dustproof design makes this lock ideal for all weather conditions, keeping it reliable even during rain or harsh environments. Strong and durable. The thickened steel cable and alloy latch ensure that the lock is both robust and highly resistant to tampering, making it an excellent deterrent against theft. Protective features. The anti-scratch PVC wrap helps protect your bike, car, and other nearby surfaces from damage, adding an extra layer of care for your belongings. Easy to carry and store. The included carrying bracket allows for convenient storage while cycling, so you won't have to worry about carrying the lock around awkwardly. Double key security. The inclusion of 2 keys provides extra peace of mind, ensuring that you won't be left stranded without a means to unlock your bike. Cons. Heavy and bulky. While the lock's heavy-duty design makes it secure, it can also make it somewhat bulky, potentially making it less convenient for cyclists who prefer lightweight and compact locks. The Xunting Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock is a highly secure and durable option for cyclists who prioritize safety and protection for their bikes. Its weather-resistant features, strong steel cable, anti-scratch design, and smash-resistant alloy latch make it a formidable choice for securing your bicycle against theft. The included carrying bracket and extra key also add to its practicality and convenience. Coming in at number 4, we have the Riderace Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock. When it comes to protecting your bicycle, having a reliable and efficient lock is essential. The Riderace Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock promises a blend of security, convenience, and durability, making it an attractive option for bike owners. Designed with features like a snake-shaped anti-theft key and an upgraded chain sleeve, this lock aims to offer top-tier protection while being easy to use. Here's a detailed review highlighting the pros and cons of this product. Pros. Keyless convenience. The keyless lock mechanism is a game-changer, allowing for quick and easy locking and unlocking without worrying about misplacing keys. It's incredibly convenient for riders on the go. Increased security with anti-theft key. The snake-shaped anti-theft key reduces the likelihood of a thief being able to pick the lock, adding an extra layer of security. Durable and strong chain. With a 5mm thick chain, this lock is designed to resist tampering and cutting, offering strong protection against theft. Protection for your bike's paint. The upgraded chain sleeve is a thoughtful addition that prevents wear and tear on the bike's frame, ensuring that the lock won't cause damage to your bicycle's paint. Easy storage and portability. Its compact design and convenient storage option make it easy to carry along with your bike, even during long trips. Cons. Limited to a single locking method. Although the keyless feature is convenient, some users may prefer the versatility of having both a key and a combination option for locking, which this model lacks. The Riderace Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock offers a combination of security and convenience with its keyless locking system and strong, durable chain. It provides peace of mind for bike owners thanks to features like the snake-shaped anti-theft key and the upgraded chain sleeve that protects both your bike and the lock from damage. At number 3, the Rockbros Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock. When it comes to protecting your bike from theft, the Rockbros Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock offers a compact and effective solution. With its combination of sturdy materials and user-friendly design, this lock ensures your bike remains safe without the bulk or complexity of other options. In this video, we will delve into its key features, pros, and cons to help you determine if it fits your needs. Pros. Compact and portable design. The Rockbros lock has an appearance size of 18 centimeters x 10 centimeters, with an inner size of 14 centimeters x 7 centimeters. Weighing just 374 g, it's designed to be lightweight and easy to carry around, making it a good choice for cyclists who value portability. Durable materials. The lock body is made of carbon steel, providing strong and reliable protection against theft. The lock core is crafted from zinc alloy, which offers additional strength and resistance to tampering. Unilateral unlocking for convenience. The lock features unilateral unlocking, allowing for quick and convenient access. This design ensures that you can quickly secure or release your bike without unnecessary hassle. Silicone jacket for added comfort. The lock comes with a silicone jacket that makes it comfortable to touch and use. This jacket also provides an extra layer of protection against scratches, helping maintain the aesthetic of your bike. Versatile application. The Rockbros lock is applicable to a wide range of vehicles, including bicycles, battery-powered vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, and more. This makes it a versatile option for those who need a lock for multiple uses. Collocation list. The lock comes with a complete package, including the U-lock, bracket for easy storage, and 2 keys, ensuring you have everything you need to use and carry the lock effectively. Cons. Basic security features. While the Rockbros lock is made from durable materials, it may not offer the same level of security as larger, more advanced locking systems. For areas with high theft rates, additional security measures may be necessary. The Rockbros Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock is a compact and reliable security solution that provides great value for the price. With its durable construction, silicone jacket protection, and lightweight design, it offers convenience and portability without compromising on security. In the second spot, we have the West Biking YIP07 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock. The West Biking YIP07 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock promises an effective and portable solution to securing your bike, providing peace of mind for cyclists looking to protect their two-wheeled investments. Its innovative features, including a hardened steel alloy construction and foldable design, make it a standout in terms of convenience and security. Here's a comprehensive review covering its pros and cons. Pros. Lightweight and portable. The lock's compact and lightweight design makes it an excellent choice for cyclists who need a lock that won't add unnecessary weight to their bike. Strong and secure construction. The hardened steel alloy and 6 mm thickness provide high resistance to cutting, ensuring your bike is well protected from theft. The 8 stainless steel rivets add extra durability, making it a reliable option for securing your bike. Innovative and tight connection. The innovative connection point ensures that the lock is more robust than many traditional bike locks, offering superior security. Versatile usage. Its suitability for scooters, electric bikes, mountain bikes, and road bikes makes it an all-around lock that works for a wide variety of bicycles. Convenient folding design. The 8-section folding mechanism allows for easy storage and flexibility, letting you lock your bike in different positions and spaces. It's convenient for cyclists who need to store their lock in a bag or on their bike frame. Bracket installation on car. The bracket allows for quick access to the lock when needed, offering convenience for cyclists who frequently transport their bikes. Cons. Limited locking range. Though the folding design allows for flexibility, the lock's reach may be limited depending on what you're securing your bike to, particularly if you need to lock it to larger or irregularly shaped objects. The West Biking YIP07 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock is an excellent choice for cyclists seeking a portable and convenient lock that doesn't compromise on security. Its lightweight design, high-quality materials, and innovative connection technology make it a reliable option for everyday use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Etook ET555 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock. The Etook ET555 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock offers a robust solution to protecting your bicycle, motorcycle, or scooter from theft, especially in urban environments where security concerns are a priority. With its hardened steel alloy construction and advanced locking mechanisms, this lock promises top-tier protection. Let's take a closer look at its features, as well as the pros and cons of using the Etook ET555 lock. Pros. High security rating. The Etook ET555 boasts a level 5 security rating, which makes it an excellent option for providing reliable overnight protection, even against professional thieves. Its hardened steel alloy and Swiss lock cylinder technology add a strong layer of defense against cutting and drilling attempts. Protective cover for frame safety. The inclusion of a 900D9 cover sleeve and silicone polymer coating ensures that your bike frame remains scratch-free, which is a bonus for bike owners who care about their bike's aesthetic. Multi-purpose use. This lock is suitable for not just bicycles, but also scooters and motorcycles, providing a versatile anti-theft solution that works for different types of two-wheeled vehicles. Rust and UV protection. The lock's rust-resistant and UV-protected features ensure that it remains functional and reliable over time, even when exposed to the elements. Easy to use. The copper-nickel alloy key ensures smooth locking and unlocking, which makes the Etook ET555 lock easy to use while still maintaining its security standards. Advanced anti-theft technology. The Pro-Swiss lock cylinder technology and anti-smashing and anti-drilling features provide extra security against tampering attempts, making it more challenging for thieves to bypass. Cons. Heavy and bulky. While the Etook ET555 lock is designed to provide maximum security, it can be somewhat heavy and bulky compared to lighter locks. This may not be ideal for cyclists looking for a compact and portable locking solution. The Etook ET555 Bicycle Anti-Theft Lock is an excellent choice for cyclists who need high-level protection for their bikes, motorcycles, or scooters. With its advanced security features, versatile use, and protective cover, it offers a reliable solution to theft prevention, particularly in urban environments.